Joining us now in a CNBC exclusive, Brinker International CEO Wyman Roberts. Wyman, thank you for joining us. The stock price certainly performing well off of these earnings. Top line, bottom line doing better than expected. That said, there's no way to, look past this big elephant in the room, the pressure that the restaurant industry is facing as a result of the pandemic. What are your expectations for the fourth quarter as it pertains to the pandemic and the potential for greater restrictions on restaurants and the potential for even a shutdown? And when do you expect things to look more like 2019 normalcy?
Well, thanks for having me, Leslie. We obviously were excited about the results we produced and delivered in our first quarter. And we see the challenges ahead, but we don't think that they're going to be significantly different from what we've been dealing with really throughout the summer and into the fall. We've become very adept at creating a safe environment for our team members and our guests, providing alternatives, obviously, to dining in through our takeout and delivery systems, and then with our virtual brand, growing the business through a whole different channel. And what we've seen throughout the pandemic really is these regional outbreaks that create opportunities where we have to adjust and the communities adjust to the caseloads and the restrictions on the restaurants, and then as things become more manageable, things open up a little bit and we're able to move forward, always making sure that we're providing a safe and comfortable place for our team members to work and our guests to dine. So we see these, right now it looks like the Midwest may be heating up and we'll see some constriction in the business there. But overall, we don't see a national problem like we had early in March.
A national problem meaning national shutdowns, where you see a wave of shutdowns across the country.
It seems to be, again, if you look through, this hasn't really come in waves. It's really been more geographic, right? And where these hot spots pick up, and there are maybe bigger spots right now, but I think wearing masks and distancing and doing the right things, we can get this thing back under control in these areas, and then we move forward, and the consumer adjusts, and as a business we adjust. And we've shown through the pandemic that we've been able to continually grow our sales every month through the last quarter, and even into October, our comp sales have gotten better, and we're running almost very close to prior year levels at Chili's. Maggiano's is a little bit of a more challenged model, but the Chili's model is working very well in this environment, and we just have to deal with the geographic challenges of, right now California has been a bit more challenging.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.